Hi, in this video we will discuss about how to get your customer ID of your India Post Payments Bank account by SMS. So I'm going to tell you the process. The process is, first of all, you have to message on the number. The number is 7738062873. On this number you have to send first register. The first message will be registered in capital letter REGISTER, and after that you will send it, and then you will again send another message which is in capital letter GETCIF, then a space, then your date of birth, DDMMYYYY format, in DDMMYYYY format, first date, month and year. And after this you will send, after this process you will get your customer ID by SMS, and this process you have to follow from your register mobile number, and after this you will get your customer ID. Thank you.